Hi guys. Sometimes we come across a problem while using soldering iron, and that is its iron bar gets wobbly. Notice how its iron bar moves. The soldering iron is heating fine, but it cannot be used. Today I will show a solution to this problem in this video. First I removed all the screws from the soldering iron. This plastic part of the soldering iron has a pin lock. But both its cover plastic pin lock is broken. Therefore, it cannot hold the iron bar of the soldering iron properly. So it's shaky. Keep watching my full video without dragging, hope it helps you. I took 2 small bolts. Check this bolt that fits well into the hole in the iron bar of the soldering iron. For this job I have taken M-Seal 2 color paste. I combined the 2 parts as much as I needed for this job and mixed them well. I pressed a small amount of mix glue in the plastic cover. Now I put the collected small bolts on this glue. Again, I have applied a little mix glue to fix the bolt with well pressed. Similarly, the other cover is also glued and the other bolt is set. I applied Scotch tape on the iron bar as the mixed glue helps to remove the iron bar from the soldering iron easily. I made the holes that the bolts would go into. Now I put the iron bar on the bolts placed on the plastic covers one by one. I fixed 2 covers. I waited until the glue hardened. This glue usually hardens within 2 hours. But more often it is better to use the repaired equipment after 4 hours or more. After waiting, I removed all the screws. Wow! The iron bar came apart very easily. Now take a good look. The iron bar pin lock is formed on top of both the plastic covers. After resetting everything, the problematic soldering iron is no longer behaving as before. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video. Thank you very much and best wishes for you.